Hello, Product Hunter viewers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey in the kitchen as we review 3 fantastic multifunctional cookers. Yes, you heard that right. The Instant Pot Duo Plus, Ninja Foodi Deluxe, and Breville Fast Slow Pro. Each of these cookers brings something unique to the table with its own set of features. Get ready for time-saving capabilities, multiple cooking modes, perfect results, and more. Stay tuned to find out which one is the best choice for you. Now let's dive into the detailed review of these 3 amazing devices. Instant Pot Duo Plus. The dimensions are 12.9 x 12.2 x 13.4 inches. Generally speaking, these devices are designed to fit on your countertop, but if you prefer storage, it's not too heavy to move in and out of cabinets. Additionally, all accessories, including the power cord, fit inside the pot for easy storage. Available cooking functions include pressure cooking, slow cooking, sous vide, yogurt, and sautéing. Other settings include cake, egg, soup, broth, rice, bean grain, and oatmeal programs, along with a sterilization program. Each setting has customizable time and temperature or pressure options. There's also a keep warm mode that can be activated at the start of the cooking process, so your meal stays warm if you're not around when it finishes cooking. Additionally, delayed start allows you to delay the cooking start time so your meal finishes cooking right at dinner time, a handy feature if you're at work. The Easy Seal design automatically primes the pressure release valve when the lid is closed and locked in position. So the only time you need to think about it is if you're using one of the non-pressure cooking functions that require it to be in venting mode. After pressure cooking, switching from sealed to venting position to release steam is as easy as pushing a button, eliminating the stress of releasing steam manually, which is a nice design feature. A notch on the lid attaches to a handle, so you don't have to set the lid on the countertop if you don't want to. It's a simple but handy little feature. The box also includes a spare sealing ring and a steam rack. All accessories, including the lid, are dishwasher safe for super easy cleaning. Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL. It comes with a removable cooking pot, a detachable base crisp basket, and an optional second-tier rack. There are 9 functions you can choose from using the dial in the center of the unit: pressure cooking, air frying, crisping, roasting, sautéing, baking, broiling, steaming, slow cooking, dehydrating, and yogurt making. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL looks very similar to the highly successful original Ninja Foodi, but it accommodates more ingredients. 5 liters of food during air frying and 8 liters during pressure cooking, compared to the previous model's 4 liters during air frying and 5 liters during pressure cooking. As an air fryer, the unit is 16 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and 15 inches tall, and with the pressure cooker lid in place, the device measures 20 inches long, which is too tall to fit under standard cabinets. The highest temperature setting on the Deluxe XL is 400 Fahrenheit for cooking, air frying, and similar functions. The lowest temperature for drying foods is only 80 degrees, and it maintains this temperature for up to 12 hours. The air crisp lid used during air frying attaches with a hinge. During pressure cooking, simply leave the air crisping lid open and lock the pressure cooking lid in place. The 2-piece rack is reversible and stackable, allowing you to place more food during steaming, broiling, or air frying. The white line on the body and the pressure cooking lid make it easier to align the lid. This helps you place the pressure cooking lid more easily. The Ninja Deluxe pressure cooker has a black sealing ring that stands out from other pressure cooker rings. Another thing to note during pressure cooking is that it counts down in minutes and seconds, unlike many other pressure cookers that count down in hours and minutes. Breville Fast Slow Pro. It comes with a brushed stainless steel coating, making it simple and sleek in appearance compared to most other multi-cookers. The nature of multi-cookers being bulky and taking up space on your countertop is undeniable, and this one measures 12 x 12 x 13 inches. The ceramic-coated cooking pot is dishwasher safe and has a maximum capacity of 6 liters and a minimum capacity of 1 liter, both of which are clearly marked inside the bowl. It also comes with a stainless steel steam rack and a rack for use inside the cooking pot. The lid is hinged, so you don't need to find a place to set it while checking on your meal. And it's also removable and dishwasher safe, although you'll need a screwdriver for that, making it not always convenient to clean this way. There's minimal assembly required, and the controls are intuitive, so it's easy to start using right out of the box. The LCD screen clearly displays the current settings, and navigating between main functions is easy: pressure cooking, slow cooking, sear, sauté, and steam. All time, temperature, and pressure settings can be easily adjusted to suit your meal or recipe. For novice cooks or just to provide guidance while getting to know the device, there's a list of common meal presets for both pressure cooking and slow cooking functions, each with a preset cooking time, temperature, or pressure level. It comes with a recipe book containing 41 useful recipes, along with information on settings to use for each recipe and general tips. So, it's a handy guide you can use while getting acquainted with the cooker. There are 3 steam release options to choose from during pressure cooking: automatic quick, automatic pulse, and natural. The recipe book and preset functions provide some guidance on the best steam release setting to use if you're unsure. This comprehensive review video comes to an end here. We've thoroughly examined the Instant Pot Duo Plus, Ninja Foodie Deluxe, and Breville Fast Slow Pro, discussing the unique features each brings to the kitchen. We hope this review has been helpful for you in determining which multifunctional cooker best suits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch our upcoming videos and keep following our other product reviews. Until next time.